Oh hey, Vlogmas day 1. I'm currently getting ready for work. This is the jar shampoo that I use. Alright, so I've opted for a super high ponytail. Yeah, now I'm just gonna curl some of the pieces, make it look a little bit flowier, and that was it. I basically just put extensions at the bottom facing up and then 2 facing this way. So I know that these tutorials kind of in the beginning aren't going to be very clear. It's going to be a learning curve for me to learn how to film them and how to show them to you. So I just wanted to bring in on my daily life and just vlog my hair and just get into the routine of vlogging, and I'm super excited about it. Lit in my teddy bear sweater and sweatpants. So yeah. I go into the bathroom to curl my hair because the mirror is a lot better. Today we're gonna rock the black scrunchie because for my job on Sundays I have to wear all black, so might as well wear black scrunchie to match. And I just put this over top of my ponytail, that way I don't have to worry about it sliding out with the scrunchie over time. It's more decorative. And then I'm just gonna put some of this oil just on the part that I see it's like tangling. So my ponytail is nice and smooth. And then finish off with some hairspray. Voila!